Today I show you how to take a screenshot on your Android phone. This is Android 14, but it works on any other older versions of Android. Basically, you find the power button. This is the power button and the volume down. That's all you need to take a screenshot. And this works on Samsung phones, on Xiaomi phones, on Huawei phones, every phone. Android phones, they have a power button. It might be on the other side, or you know where you have your power button. This is the power button. As soon as you find the power button and the volume down, all you have to do is you press on both of them at the same time, like this with the fingers, and you will see the animation that screenshot is done. And you can even edit the screenshot. You have different editing tools, and on the Samsung S23 Ultra or S24 Ultra, you can even use the pen to draw. So again, power button, and volume down. That's how you do it. You can also have a gesture where you do with three fingers down. You can set a gesture for 3 fingers down to take a screenshot on some phones. And this phone actually had a gesture menu here, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, this one, but I disabled it because I didn't like it. So also you can take a screenshot from the bottom menu. You might have this on the left, but you open this menu. You can take a screenshot from the bottom menu here. This square could be on the left or the right. Press on the square and then you have either pop-up window, multi-window switch, or screenshot. So now I can press on screenshot and did the same thing, screenshot menu there. You can find the screenshots in the gallery app. In your screenshots folder. So this is actually a screenshot of the I could crop it, for example. I could keep only this part. So you see now this is the screenshot, and now I have the new screenshot saved here. This will take multiple ways to take a screenshot. The most useful is power button, volume down, and you got the screenshot. Thanks for watching.